Hello and welcome to another video of Python programming. In this video, we are going to talk about the match case, okay? And simply what is match case? Match is another way to perform selection control structure, okay? It means you will decide whether to execute a block of code or not, okay, based on a condition. But the thing is, okay, in if, elif, and else, we can just use comparison operators larger equal to smaller and smaller equal to things like that, okay? But in match, we just simply compare values of a variable to be exactly something, okay? For example, if inside variable a we have gotten 2, do this. If we have gotten 3, do the other thing, okay? So we have gotten something like that. Simple here we have gotten a very basic thing. For example, I'll just say that yeah, a is equal to 4 for now, okay? Then see, I'll just write here match, okay? And match, in front of this I'll write the name of the variable that I want to just perform the match according to that, okay? So that is a. Now here just yeah, simply I'll write case, and we can just have many cases. For example, if it is 1, okay, if it is 1, what should happen? For example, I'll just simply say that yeah, if it is 1, you should write Monday, okay? You should just give me Monday. It can be just many lines of code, but right now in order to just make it very simple so you understand the basic concept of match, we are just making it one lines, okay? Print, for example, yeah, after that we can have Tuesday, okay? If inside a we have gotten 2, so Tuesday, okay? Then case 3, if inside the variable a we have gotten 3, okay? So just do on this print Wednesday, okay? Then yeah, if we have gotten another case, okay, we can have case 4. Here you'll just simply write print yeah, Thursday, okay? Then yeah, case 5, we will just simply print it's Friday, okay? Then case 6, for example, yeah, I'll write there if inside a there is 6, then yeah, print Saturday, okay? Saturday. Then case 7, if it is 7, so that is just kind of Sunday, that is a weekend, okay? So print Sunday. So that's it, okay? And the last one, the default case, okay, we have gotten case underscore. That is the default case. That is like else in if else statement, okay? So if none of the above cases were true or just they did not match, then yeah, this will just happen, okay? So simply I'll just write here print invalid input, okay? Or just we did not recognize it or whatever. So see, that is this kind of match, okay? Match, as we just said here, it compares a single variable against multiple specific literal values, okay? It can be just, yeah, instead of 1, 2, 3, you can have strings, you can have characters or anything, okay? But simply you check for this specific or exact cases if they are just stored inside the variable, okay? And the syntax is, yeah, in front of match, simply you will write the variable, okay? That will just evaluates the target subject. So what is our target subject? Then after the case value, then colon, okay? So that is just runs the if the variable perfectly matches the literal value. If the variable perfectly matches this, then its block runs, okay? And case underscore, that is a wildcard case, okay? And that simply acts like else in if else, okay? Anything that did not match any of the cases above, then yeah, this will run, okay? So we have gotten that. Let's just yeah, run it. For now inside a we have gotten 4. If I just run it, it must just give us Thursday. So just run it, and yeah, as you can see here we've gotten Thursday, okay? Let's do another thing. Let's just take it as input from the user. So here I'll just simply write int input, and inside the input here I'll just write here enter the weekday number, for example. Now that can be a program. And then if I just run it now, See, so here we have gotten entered the weekday number. If I just enter there 2, so yeah, it's just giving me Tuesday. Okay, this the block of case 2 is just running. If I just give it 5, okay, so yeah, it is just giving me Friday. Okay, and if I just give it something not acceptable, for example, or not matching any of the cases here, for example 9, okay, so yeah, invalid input. Okay, so that is when the default case runs. Okay, so that is all about match. Okay, right now we just simply use the syntax of this. In the future we will be just working on many examples, and we will just use them practically in solving problems. Okay, just before ending the video, why use it? Okay, so yeah, it is just much cleaner and faster to read when check single variable for exact values. Okay, if you just simply want to check one variable for exact values, this is much cleaner than if elif else statement. Okay, otherwise you can just simply write the exact code of this in if elif and else format as well. Okay, and that will be just completely fine. That's it for this video. Wish you all the best. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and if you have gotten any kind of questions, suggestions, we are open to hear from you in the comment section. Wish you all the best. Good luck and goodbye.